Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the exact app name and current version, so you update the right program. This prevents accidental installs. Once done, back up your data and make a system restore point to recover quickly if something breaks. Make sure the device is plugged in or has at least 30% battery, and close the application plus heavy processes to avoid conflicts. These steps save time and reduce risk before you fetch updates or installation files. You now run the updater or official installer. This is the execution phase where accuracy matters. Follow on-screen prompts carefully, grant permissions, and choose the proper install location if asked because mismatches cause duplicate copies. Allow the process to complete without interruption and watch for required restarts. Restarting finalizes file replacements. If an antivirus blocks actions, temporarily disable it for the install, then re-enable immediately. You finish by launching the app and verifying the new version and main features work as expected. This confirms success. Then restore any settings from backup or reapply preferences and clear the app cache to remove leftover data. If you hit problems, try one key troubleshooting step first. Uninstall and reinstall the update cleanly, then check diagnostic logs or error codes for targeted fixes. This approach isolates issues quickly and gets you back to normal with minimal downtime.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.